So today's video I'll be showing how to do halo eye look. So I always struggle with halo eye. Since I struggle so much, so I thought I should show you guys how I achieved it. Starting off, I will be taking this MORPHE Jaclyn Hill palette and going to take this mustard color as my transition shade with this large blending brush that I got from BoxyCharm. It's so fluffy and dense, so I really love the put this inside. So I'm going to take this orange reddish color from the same palette and going to start building up in a circular motion. It's not going to be winged out. As you saw all the halo eye looks, the halo eye stays pretty much in circular motion. So I'm taking this maroon color and going to take this Luxie flat brush. It's fluffy but it's also flat, so it's easy to focus on one color on the inner and outer corners. So I'm doing exactly like that. So I'm taking this elf concealer brush with some concealer and going to carve out my crease, but it is not a cut crease look, but as you can see on my other eyes I did a small squarish kind of look. So yeah, now I'm just shading out the colors on my crease and the inner and outer corner. Now I'm going to take this gold and maroon color and just going to put this on my empty part. So first I'm going to put the gold. Now I'm going to put the maroon color on the outer part of the triangle and going to take these Dodo lashes in D320 and going to apply this on my eyes off camera and going to smoke out my lower lash line with the same transition colors and going to take this Stila Magnificent Metal liquid eyeshadow on the top of the gold and going to take this Dose of Color Savage liquid lipstick and going to apply this on my lips. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys really enjoyed this look. There's so many steps of doing halo eye look, but I find this one easiest because I struggle all the time. But yeah, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.